In today's modern era, life is always evolving. From technology innovations to improvements in communication, health and travel, we live in a world that constantly changes. The same is true at San Juan Pools. With the introduction of the Clearwater Beach fiberglass pool, we've created a new classification of fiberglass swimming pools, the huge beach entry models. This classification of fiberglass swimming pools offers a unique design that you won't find elsewhere. Once installed, our beach entries create a seamless entry into your outdoor oasis. With a wide entry space that is just inches deep, your senses immediately relax as you're transported to a different time and place. No longer are you relaxing in your backyard in a quiet suburban neighborhood. Instead, you're sitting in a serene lagoon at your favorite beach destination. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.